सपने देखते हो गोल्ड खरीदने के, पर मिलता है सिर्फ ग्लिटर। हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूं नीलिमा और आपके सपने एक दिन जरूर पूरे होंगे। पर तब तक के लिए इसी ग्लिटर से आज हम बनाते हैं एक खूबसूरत सा ग्लिटर पेंटिंग। तो चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। For base, I'm using a 6x6 size canvas and 8x8 inch canvas. After priming the canvas, this is how smooth it will look. And after sketching, this is how our canvas should look. So here is a teddy bear girl with a heart, says hug me. We will be coloring this one together. But for the next piece, I have already painted the penguin and this is how it looks. It's very simple and easy to do, just using 2 to 3 different colors. And my next painting is this one, and I have also primed it so that I can easily show you how to do the texture part on wings. So in the same way, I'm going to color and sketch few paintings. But first, let's start by coloring this sketch. Here I'm going to use just 2 to 3 different colors. The first one is skin, the next one is cream, white, and a little bit of baby pink color. So using a brush, I'll just start coloring. In the same way, I'll complete doing the coloring part. After completing the coloring part, this is how beautiful our painting turns out to be. Once you color them step by step and complete doing the outlining part, it turns out to be really beautiful. So now friends, let's give it a highlight by adding our next step, which is to give it a texture using sparkling texture paste. This is Blush Berry from Little Birdie. I have planned to use a transparent sparkling texture paste for my painting as it wasn't available. So we are going to make our own texture paste using the sparkling white glitters and super high-tech glue from Little Birdie, which will turn out to be transparent once it's dry. So you just need 2 ingredients. One is glitter and the other is glue to make this texture paste. So in a glass bowl, I'm going to add 2 to 3 scoops of glitter like this, and then just add a little bit of glue. Okay, and then using a spatula, I'll mix the glue and the glitters very well so there is no bubble formation. And we should also get a paste-like texture. You see the glue is thickening up, and this is how it looks. So using my same spatula, I'm going to give it a patch test. Yes, I guess this is just perfect for our painting. So this is how we have to spread this texture paste. Let's do it. Take some more of the texture paste and spread it from the sides. To give it the exact shape, I'm going to use a flat hair brush, but just wet it with a little bit of water so that you will easily be able to spread out the glitters and the glue paste, the glittering paste, to the borders. I'm not going to do the texture part on face, just on the dressing. So now we will let it get dry completely and then I'll show you how does it looks. Okay? Now the texture paste is completely dry and this is how beautiful our painting looks. You can also touch it and you can clearly see the reflection of glitters when light falls on it. And this is how we give a very beautiful glittering effect to our simple acrylic paintings. And so I have decided to add a glittering light pink background for the sides. And for that, let's prepare some baby pink color glittering paste. And for that, I'm again going to use the same white glittering powder. I do have a pink color glitters, but I don't think this will match our painting. We do need a baby pink, a very soft pink color for the background, and so I'm going to use the same white glitters, and with this we will add a little bit of glue. And to add the color, I'm going to use Fevicryl glass colors, a few drop of pink as I want it to look baby pink. Okay, I'll give it a nice mix. To make the paste a little smoother, I'll add just a few drops of water in it for now. Yes. So this is the exact baby pink color I'm expecting for the background. Let me test. Using a spatula, gently spread the baby pink color. I'm going to glue the edges using a paintbrush so I can evenly spread out the glittering paste. Same way I'll complete doing the edges. Now I have finally completed my glittering painting, and this is how it looks when it's completely dry. You can also feel the glitter texture as well as see how beautiful, dazzling all the glitters look. So for the outer part, I have also sprinkled a little big size of the same glitters, and this is how amazing they look. I absolutely love how it turned out, and in the same way I have made a cupid painting and I have decorated the wings using glitter texture paste that we have made for the outer side, except I have used the bigger size of glitters, the same we have done for the outer part. And this is how amazing this cute painting looks. But this one is my absolute favorite, and I would love to make a glitter painting again because the shine and glamour it brings at the same time, plus the cuteness this painting gives out is I absolutely love it. And now friends, this is how beautiful our glitter painting looks. Look how sparkling and dazzling it looks. I absolutely love this glitter painting, and so I'm going to place it in my collection, which is this. Perfect. It perfectly fits here. And this is one more that I have made, and you can clearly see how beautiful it looks. It's one of my cutest paintings. So I'm going to place it just beside this one, right in my collection. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.